Dr. Amir, what is instant cough relief?
For instant cough relief, try drinking warm fluids like honey and lemon tea, using cough drops or lozenges, inhaling steam, using a humidifier, and avoiding irritants. Over-the-counter cough suppressants or expectorants can also provide temporary relief, but consult a healthcare professional before using any medication, especially for prolonged coughs.
Dr. Amir, how to treat the cough in children?
To treat cough in children, ensure proper hydration, provide a humidifier, elevate their head during sleep, and maintain a clean indoor environment. For children over 1 year old, honey can soothe coughs.